So in the previous day, we have done oxidation reaction by chemonophore in acidic conditions. So there, I think we have done the oxidation of ferrous to ferric. Tell me, what are those I have done? Nitrite. Do like nitrite to sulfide to sulfide. Do. In acidic medium. Do. I will not do it. If I do everything, then you will not learn anything. Hello. So for that, what should you do? First, you have to find out the oxidation state of this nitrogen. Huh? तुम लोग बूढ़ा हो गया रे, अभी तुम लोग को कुछ नहीं मालूम. See, A oxygen is -2, so it is A -4 -1, 4 -1. Therefore, A is equal to +3. So I told you, only change the sign and get it. So instead of -2, you think it is +2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is NO2 to NO3 minus. So it is, if it is +3, it will be -3. So how many electrons are lost? 2 electrons. Here you have 1 oxygen, here you have 3 oxygen. Sorry, 2 and 3. So in acidic medium, we obtain oxygen from water. Now do next line. हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता. (16H plus and 10H plus. It is 6H plus. So this will be 3H. मुश्किल है तुम लोग का. Then next is oxalic acid to carbon dioxide. What is oxalic acid? This is oxalic acid. Okay. See, oxalic acid, the carboxylic acid, you know, it will ionize to give you what? This and 2H plus. So in this case, we'll do with this ion. So I'll write now here COO minus. And what does it give here? 2 carbon dioxide. 2 carbon. And this 2 electron will go. Okay? So same like that you do. Write the second line and exactly do like this. Go for cross multiplication. This is important for exam, and this is also this is there in your titration. What is this question? See, in acidic medium, we use always sulfuric acid. Why we do not use HCl? Okay, so we'll write it on that. See, whenever you do titration with permanganate, means redox titration with permanganate, we call it permanganometry. So we'll write here. Why in permanganometric titration, hydrochloric acid is not taken. So what will be our answer? We'll write. KMnO4 oxidizes hydrochloric acid. So in permanganometric titrations, HCl is not used because KMnO4 will oxidize both the reagent as well as HCl, by which the volume of KMnO4 used will be more, and the result obtained will be wrong. Say I'm going to oxidize oxalic acid. Instead of sulfuric acid, I have added HCl. So chemical will oxidize this one as well as HCl. So the amount of chemical used will be more. So in that case, if you do the calculation on the basis of that, our entire result will be wrong. Okay. So I'll write down. So I'll write now here HCl, H plus Cl minus. I'll do with this. So I'll write here Cl minus will give you Cl2. So I'll write here 2Cl, and here I'll write 2 electron. So MnO4 minus plus 7, Mn2 plus, it will take 5 electron, and 8H plus, it will give you 4H2O, 2, 5, so it will be 2MnO4 plus 10Cl minus plus 6H plus will give me 2Mn2 plus 5Cl2 plus 3H2. This is important.
Sir, how did this 10Cl minus N6H plus head came, sir?
Oh. First of all, I told you that we are going to do this reaction by ion electron method. All right? This you could understand. Otherwise, I should have done the reaction with HCl. I did not do because cheminophore cannot oxidize H plus. A species which does not have electron, can it oxidize? No. So I'm doing this one. So this is my basic equation. Chloride will give you chlorine. So if I write only Cl minus one chloride atom cannot give you Cl2. Because in Cl2 you have 2 chlorine, is it not? So I have taken 2 Cl. See, look here. Chloride has how many electrons? Is octet. All right, is already stable. What about chlorine? See, is it not chlorine? That is, each chlorine has 7 electrons. So these 2 electrons are being shared to make it 8 and 8. Here you have 8. So in that case, what you have to do? You have to remove 1 electron. Moment you remove 1 electron, then you get here the configuration of chlorine atom. Okay. So here I have taken here 2. So from there, if I subtract 2 electron, then I'll get 2 chlorine atom, and this 2 chlorine atom is will join with each other to give you Cl2. This you understood? Achha, good. So now I told you that actually I should have written here minus 2 electron. But by convention, I cannot write any negative thing in a chemical equation. So what did I do? I transfer it to this side. Moment I transfer to this side, it becomes positive.
ও আচ্ছা, আমি আরো 13 বলেছিল। বলতে পারবে।
Okay, so you got this one. So this is my basic equation. Did you know? Now see here. In a redox reaction, number of electron lost and the gain should be equal. Then how to make 2 equal to 5 is not possible. 2 if I multiply by anything, I cannot get 5. So what did I do? I have done for approximate equation. I have multiplied this above equation by 5 and the below equation by 2. So here it becomes 10 and here it becomes 10. So because of that, I had to multiply. So now see here, 10 and 10 electron. That's it. Okay. Conductor তো আমি যে সালাদ দিয়ে তারা দোকান থেকে conductor এখানে আমার কাছে 900
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How do we get 6H plus?
Huh? See phone. In this permanganate we have oxygen. Here do you have oxygen? We do not have oxygen. Then we have to remove this oxygen. In acidic medium, oxygen combines with the H plus ion. See, H plus. Where from H plus you got? Because I told you, in permanganometric titration, we always add sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid we add. So H plus has come from sulfuric acid. We do not use hydrochloric acid. We use sulfuric acid. So in that case, when I have added HCl, already H plus is being given now from here. Here I need not use sulfuric acid. See where from the H plus is? It has come from here. So this is the one that I have added. Okay, I'll do the same reaction with full, the conventional equation. I did not do the conventional equation because I have not done with this. So I'll do this here. Conventional equation is difficult for you to balance. See here. I know because I have been doing this equation. This is the one. This is my conventional equation. So is it possible to remember each and every equation? It's not possible. So always do by this method. Automatically thing get balanced.
সবাই আগে যারা জিনিসটা সবাই নেয়।
সবই নেই, আমরা থেকে খাসিরা বেশি।
তুমি তো সেদিনের মানুষ, পঞ্চাশ মানুষের জেনারেশন ওয়াইজ দেখছি।
এটা তো ঠিক। Okay. Now we'll do reaction in neutral medium. Means we will not add any acid.
আমরা এনেছি জিনিস যেটা আমরা দিয়ে
Second is we'll do oxidation in neutral medium. In neutral medium, what is the basic equation? MnO4 minus gives us Mn O2. Okay. So this is the one. See, it is +7 and this is +4. How many electron it will, how many electron oxidation? This is going to take +3. See now. In this case, here you have 4 oxygen and here you have 2 oxygen. In class iridium, you have already studied. Suppose if I have to remove oxygen from here, so what should I do? I will add here water. So water is going to combine with the with oxygen to give you 2 OH minus. So what is the oxidation state of this one here? This 2 minus. Each oxide has oxidation state 2 minus. So when I add it here, I get 2 OH minus. So how many I have to remove? I have to remove 2. See, here you have 4, here you have 2. If I multiply by this, so what should I write now here? It is 2O2 minus 2H2O is 4 OH minus. All right. So here I'll write now here 2H2O and 4 OH minus. So even if you do this oxidation in alkaline medium, the product will be in alkaline. Sorry, neutral medium, product will be alkaline after the reaction is over. See here. So I'll do now. Here it is. First example which I'm giving you, it is not in your book. It is
কি রান্না করেন আমি তো বুঝতে পারছি না।
sulfide to sulfide. This S2 minus 2. That is H2S. See here. So S2 minus this minus 2. It will give you sulfur. Oxidation state of sulfur is 0 because it's element. So how it will be possible? If it loses 2 electrons. So let now here 2 electrons. Okay. So please write this equation here, this equation, and balance it. Do. Otherwise you will not do, I know. And if you have any problem, tell me. সবজি আছে তো?
সবজি করে ফুলকপি আছে।
In neutral medium, KMnO4 oxidizes
এটা এখন
any
ভিজিয়ে পরিষ্কার হবে?
হুম?
এটা এখন ভিজিয়ে ফেলে পরিষ্কার হবে? ভিজিয়ে দিন।
any manganese salt to manganese type. Okay, in example, it will be this MnSO4 to MnO2.
জেন্টিল আছে না?
আছে
জেন্টিল
জেন্টিল খাইব দেব এগুলো সার হচ্ছে
আচ্ছা
আচ্ছা
এই পেছনে বেগুনের বোতলগুলো কি?
ও এটা তো জাস্ট স্টেন রিমুভার এটা ওইটাই
স্টেন রিমুভার কোনটা?
See now. So I will take here Mn2 plus.
এগুলো কবে এনেছে
It's just so
অনেক পুরানো।
see here. This is plus 2, this is plus 4. Now, how many electrons it has lost? 2 electrons. Now, in this case, it is going to gain 2 oxygen. In neutral medium, water can behave both as an acid as an alkali. So right now here, 2H2O. Here I am going to write 4H plus. Okay. So now 4H plus. So I'll write now here Mn4 plus 7. Here it is Mn4. Okay. So now I'll write here 4H plus. I have to remove 2 now. I'll write here H 2H2. And how many electrons it has taken? 3 electrons. Add, multiply and add. Then this is B. Then C. It oxidizes. Sorry.
সোমনাথকে রিমাইন্ডার দিয়ে তো কোনো মাংস আনবে
So তারা তো ওই জন্য sodium has sulfate. Achha, sodium thisulfate. You should know what is this formula. Na2H2O3. 2 sodium sulfate. Na2SO4. Okay. It is Na2H2O3. 2 Na2SO4. So what I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to do with iron. SO3 2 minus and SO4 2 minus. So what is the oxidation state of this? All Ustad Palak? Yes, tell. Now you tell. I will not do further. No, no.
তুমি মাছ করবে আর চাল কুমড়া করবে তাতে ওলকপি তো অল্প হয়েছে
2, sir. So 2.
Very good, extremely good. I'm so proud. পড়াশোনার খবর নাই তোরা। So it is plus 6. Okay, plus 6. See. So now, law of conservation of mass. How many sulfur? 2. How many here? 1. Tell me now, how many electron is lost? Hmm?
4.
4. Huh? Should I come to your house and break your head? Oxidation number is always for individual atom. Here you have 2 sulfur. Both of them is having +2. So total electron loss how much? Good girl. So it is 8 electrons. Okay. So now see here. Here, how many oxygen are there? Oxygen 3. And here, how many oxygen are there? Kono? Good, good. So if you subtract, so how many oxygen I have to add now? What do you call in Khasi? Subtract. What is the Khasi word of subtract?
Shimnot.
Huh?
Shimnot.
The lysium no pra. Takano.
Sun.
Good. That is I have to add here 5 oxygen. See, I told you in alkaline medium what you do. Suppose you have to remove oxygen, I shall add water. Then I'll write here now 2 OH minus. And if I have to add oxygen, what should I do? I'll reverse it. I'll write here now 2 OH minus is equal to H2O plus O. This O will go here. Wait, I have to murder someone. Saturo buji murder for them. No. Bengali joto ulta ulta. Okay, see here. So I have to do. How many oxygen I have to add here? 5. So let me write here into 5. So kanone sipo mo. Chemistry is not difficult to. And what should I see? From these 5 oxygen has gone here. See here. Count. 10 oxygen plus 3, 13. So see here. It is 5 H2O plus 8 electron. See now here. 3 plus 10, 13. See here. 8 plus 5, 30. So, so now you write this equation and make it total by cross multiplication and do it. Click, 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 click. Done par. This one is important for you. This will be CBS. It may be asked. But generally, this it is this oxidation of manganese salt to manganese dioxide is this is the where we have used even H plus ion. So this is very critical for you. Please remember. So this one does not follow the normal process of doing oxidation reaction in neutral medium. So please practice it twice or thrice. In other cases, see, we have not used H plus ion in the neutral medium. So I'll do now. Oxidation of Oxidation in, here we have used neutral, na? So here we are doing alkaline medium. Okay, sorry, I'll write mild alkaline medium, mild. In mild alkaline. See here it is I minus to IO3 or Br minus to Br. I don't know in your book which is being given there, but both way you can do the same thing. So I'll do this one, I minus I. Yeah. See, look here. I minus IO3 minus. See, oxidation state of this one is minus 1. Oxidation state of this one is plus 5. All right. So I here no oxygen. Here you have oxygen. I told you how to get oxygen this way. So 2OH minus will give you 1 oxygen. So I require 3. So right now here 6 OH minus, and this will be 3 H2O. How many electron is lost? Eugenia, how many electrons are lost? Minus 1 to plus 5. Eugenia is there. Lavan is there. Lavan? No. Daniel? No. Damian? Nobody is there. Achha, now minus 1 to plus 5. How many electrons are lost? Muinak? How many electrons are lost?
6.
6. Correct. Because minus C, I minus will lose 1 electron to give you iodine atom. Then iodine atom will lose 5 more electrons to give you plus 5. The total electron lost is 6. Very good. So I'm little happy. 6 electron. All right. Then after that you write this one. This equation is common. MnO4 minus plus 7 giving you MnO2 plus 4. All right. And here it will be 2H2O. And here it will be 4OH minus. Then how many electrons it has taken? 3 electron. So here it is 6 and this 3. So here I shall multiply it by 2. Add. Kiri Aparajita? Okay. So now we'll do one thing which is not being given in your book. Please remember that potassium permanganate is used profusely in oxidation of organic molecules that you have seen. Organic molecules. In acidic, neutral, and alkaline media. नहीं, रुको. Molecules such as alkenes, alkynes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, amines, etc. In neutral, acidic, and alkaline. All these things I have done for you. Alkaline media. Okay. One small thing I'll do now is the oxidation of. Okay. See here. Here we use either neutral or in mild alkaline medium. Right now here, neutral or mild alkaline. Okay. What do you get here? This is important. See here. You get here, it introduces two alcohol group. So alcohol is called all. Two alcohol group will be called diol. But geometry is that what? Both of them are in the same side. So we call them as cis diol. Okay. So this reaction is used to detect unsaturation. Unsaturation means what? Pi bond in organic molecules and is known as BAYERS, bias test. And the reagent is known as Bayer's reagent. মনে রাখবে তোদের বইটা ভীষণ পচা বই Okay, now structure. See here. This is for permanganate iron. These are all tetrahedral in shape. This is manganate iron. This is permanganate. iron, and this is manganese. See here, the double bond that you have here, the double bond that you are having here, the p orbitals of oxygen forms double bond with d orbitals of manganese. So it is p pi d pi pi bonds. The pi bonds are formed by the combination of overlap of p orbitals of oxygen and d orbitals of manganese. याद रखो. That is what we call it p pi d pi bonds. See, permanganate, potassium permanganate is used as a disinfectant. And it is also used as an antiseptic. Suppose you have some problem in your infection in your mouth or throat, doctor will ask you to gargle with camphor. Suppose there is wound is there, they want to go for dressing. Sometimes they wash this on with the with camphor solution. After flood and all these things, suppose your well, your pond is being flooded with the flood water. Okay, so in order to restore the normalcy, the potassium permanganate is being used to kill all microgerms which is present in the water. But use of camphor in large quantity or for long time is found to be extremely harmful for us because it affects our central nervous system. I will not take more. So Thursday I'll start F block elements. I think F block elements I may require 2 or